Artemis is a lunar exploration program launched in 2017 by the US government that has goal to land first woman and the next man on moon by the end of 2024. And by 2028, they are planning to establish sustainable mission to Mars. You might be thinking where the name Artemis came from. It actually comes from Greek mythology. Artemis was a Greek goddess of wild animals, hunting chastity of all things, the moon. But why do we want to go to the moon in the first place? It's not like they have nice weather. Temperature on the moon ranges from 260 degrees Fahrenheit to negative of 280 degrees Fahrenheit when the sun goes down. The goal of the program is to ultimately learn the obstacle that space presents to human and overcome them in order to eventually reach Mars. Basically a practice game to eventually make it to the red planet. They see this as being an exploration into the unknown. Going to Mars is a lot further than going to the moon. Did you know that it only takes 3 days and 24,000 miles to get to the moon? To get to the Mars is 140 million miles in 6 months mission. It's been a while since anyone had touched the foot on the moon. Actually 49 years to be exact, and this time technology getting us there is a lot better. The astronauts will be flying to the moon on the Orion spacecraft, which is built into 3 parts: the crew module, the service module, and the launch abort system. On July 2, 2019, NASA successfully tested Orion spacecraft abort system.
Ignition. And this is the LT Minotaur launch vehicle is carrying the AA-2 launch abort system for us.
With the Artemis program, NASA will use new innovative technologies to explore more of the lunar surface than ever before, and will collaborate with their commercial and international partners and establish sustainable exploration by the end of the decade. Then, they will use what they learn on and around the moon to take the giant leap, sending astronauts to Mars.